LevelLoad is a digital twin of the supply network. It creates a 30-day plan that works inside the network's capability to execute. First, data synthesis. LevelLoad gathers data from a variety of planning and execution systems and combines it with known capabilities for both carriers and warehouses. Second, creating a 30-day supply network plan. LevelLoad sees demand spikes, such as a month-end sales push, coming and works to ensure that they can be met by pulling forward the most needed products and pushing less needed items to ship later. This avoids overtaxing carriers and warehouses while maximizing customer service. It does this by understanding what will be on each truck so that it understands when order fill could be harmed if there is a constraint on, for example, the number of trucks that can be unloaded at the same time as the site is dealing with a surge of customer orders. All the decisions have to be made simultaneously, as what happens on one lane may impact another. It can be like squeezing a balloon. The output is a plan of how many shipments are needed on each day for each origin, destination, and mode. Carry equipment will be reserved for, say, 5 days in the future. This is highlighted in red. And last is truck reservation. The number of trucks required and passed to ERP in the form of a shell STO. It has only a dummy code that triggers the TMS to create the tender. In this case, for 2 trucks. Key benefits of the unconstrained supply plan being turned into something that can be executed include: secures preferred core low-cost carriers earlier than other shippers, locking in the best value. Enables the warehouse to have the right labor, eliminating the need for just-in-case staffing. Removes carrier uncertainty and eliminates wasteful deadhead miles. What it doesn't do is tell the carrier what is on each load. Later, much closer to the carrier pickup day, the loads are defined by AutoO2 using the latest supply planning information. That is, it will be much more attuned to customer needs closer to the shipment time, driving improved customer order fill. LevelLoad has prescribed the number of trucks earlier in the week. Now AutoO2 fills this loads. In this example, there are only 2 trucks available, so AutoO2 prioritizes the most needed product. AutoO2 redetermines picking and loading guidance. It provides detailed instructions on how to pick and load the items onto trucks efficiently, reducing errors and improving productivity. By integrating these powerful tools, businesses can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and improve logistics performance. Contact us now to learn how these solutions can revolutionize your logistics process.